ridiculous. How do I still not know what a bicycle looks like? You would not believe the smells coming out of this place. Здравствуйте, пожалуйста. Спасибо. Whoa, that is burning hot. The bread is steaming as I break it open. Amazing. I didn't think I missed Europe or wanted to be in Europe, but this is so familiarly Europe. It feels wonderful. Did I know this moving sculpture existed? Yes, I did. Did I want to see it in real life? Yes, I also did. Did I know it was in Batumi? No, I absolutely did not. 4 p.m. and I'm on my way out of Batumi, although I've changed time zones, so it's not quite as late as it feels, I suppose. That's not ideal at all, but I've checked the map and I think there's an alternate route via the villages, but it's unsealed and oh well, it's all part of the adventure, isn't it? This is the confluence of two rivers. I think you can just about make out the two colours.
It's a free reservoir.
Wow.
It's full. Okay, it's full. Nice. And there's no.
On the map, I thought it was just going to be a bottle shop, but I found myself at a wine tasting. I remember Georgian wines being very good and very plentiful. Let's try the white, dry and the cheaper of the two. Yes, good. I can drink that. Not refrigerated. Let's try the red. That's good. I don't want to like it because this one's more expensive. Yeah, here comes my wine, freshly poured, and I went for the red, clearly. Left it a bit late again, sweating up a hill to a fortress, which hopefully I can camp at. It's getting late. Really need there to be a decent looking campsite at the end of this. Alright, this is a bit of a weird one. This is evidently a grave, but this seems to be just some garden, right? There's a table, there's no headstone or anything. I don't want to disrespect anybody. First dinner in Georgia is my leftover fresh bread from this morning, some fresh cheese, salami, very spicy chili paste, vegetables, halva for dessert, and delicious wine in this beautiful hand-carved cup that Ali gave me. I'll show you properly in the morning, but for now, na zdrowie!